In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple choice questions to Google Forms. This is a fantastic tool for creating questionnaires, quizzes, and surveys, allowing you to gather information efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started with this process. Firstly, head over to Google Forms by navigating to forms.google.com or by accessing it through your Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll need to start by selecting a blank form or a template that suits your needs. We're working with a blank form today, so once clicked, a fresh form will open up in a new tab. Now, it's time to set a title for your form. Think about the purpose of your form. Is it a quiz, a survey, or perhaps a feedback form? In our example today, let's create a sample quiz. Simply type in the title right at the top where it says Untitled Form. This will help your respondents understand the context of what you're asking right from the get-go. Next, you'll want to type in your first question. In the form interface, click on the section that says Untitled Question and replace that with your desired question. For this tutorial, we'll ask a straightforward question. What is 1 plus 1? After typing in your question, look over to the right side of the text box. You'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and a list of options will appear. Select multiple choice from this list. It's perfect for questions where you want respondents to choose one answer from several options. Now that multiple choice has been selected, you can proceed to enter your answer choices. Below the question, you'll see spots to type in your options. Type in a few possible answers. In this case, let's offer the choices of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simply press Enter or click Add Option to add each new choice. With the options added, it's important to decide whether answering this question is mandatory. If you want to ensure that respondents answer this question, click on the toggle switch next to Required. This way, respondents cannot submit the form without making a selection. Once you have everything set, it's always a good idea to preview how your form will look to others. At the top right of the page, you'll find an eye icon. Click on it, and you'll see a preview of your form as it will appear to respondents. This gives you a chance to experience the form as your audience will, ensuring that all questions and options are visible and working correctly. Finally, don't forget to test it out yourself. Attempt to fill out the form with different selections to confirm that all functions are operating as expected. And just like that, you're ready to share your form with others.